Good day to each and everyone. I am Teacher Precious, and our lesson for today is about conjunctions. First, what is conjunction? Conjunction is a word that connects word phrases or clauses such as and, but, or, so, and because. It helps link ideas together in a sentence. So there are four parts of conjunctions. Number one is coordinating conjunctions. What is coordinating conjunctions? Coordinating conjunctions connect two parts of a sentence of equal importance. The famous examples are for, and, nor, but, or yet, and so. Ang example aning sa coordinating conjunctions is kaning fun boys. So makita mo dyan yung mga given din na kung is na dito sa fun boys no, which is for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Ang example ana is example. They were late, but they still caught the train. So nakita mo dyan yung mag-use na ito ang mga sa words that connect two parts of sentence, di ba? Which is ang but. Makita na mo ang kanina sentence is ilamit niya as coordinating conjunctions which nakarelate sa kanang may mga words and yung sentence. So second, subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions link a dependent clause to an independent clause. I've heard of using the acronyms OUTLAWS for this type of conjunction. These stand for once, until, that, lest, as, when, and since. So, an example niya is kami. Since we met, my life has been better. So, asa magigamit nila ang subordinating conjunction word? Yes, that's correct. Naigamit sila o since. Muna siya itawag ng subordinating conjunctions kay nag-link siya sa mga sentence na bigaman. Di ba na ay conversion na ay ka connection between sa kanang words sa mga words? Third, correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs to connect equal elements in a sentence. Correlative conjunctions often come in pairs like either or, neither or nor. As a result, they link similar elements together for more clarity. So, an example niya is, she is not only talented, but also very hardworking. So, as a may correlative conjunction na gigamit ato niya, diba, as you can see na siya gigamit na kaning not only. Kaya not only the word is nag-relate sa kanang i-describe bilang na subject, which is she. Ang iyang kasabot, she is not only not talented but also very hardworking. Nagamit siya so, sa correlative conjunctions ay hindi na tayo isa ra ay parang word na gamiton. Duha ka word na gamiton. Bali mo na siya kung parang pair bitaw para masabtan mo or makakonstruct sila o kanang sentence nga kanang mas na deep meaning. Number 4, conjunctive adverbs. Conjunctive adverbs or transitional phrases connect independent clauses while showing a relationship like cause and effect. So, ang ilang ginawa ni kanin ko ng mga example ang conjunctive adverbs is maghatag na sila of cause and effect sa kanang mga sentence nga yun. Like, pareha ni example lang. He didn't like the meal. However, he didn't complain about it. Di ba nagamit siya ang word na however, which is naghatag siya verb ito ang kanina adverb mo ni siya ang murag pang-relate sa sentence na gihatag para makaibok kung sa iyang cause and effect. Ano siya? Then, sa conclusion, conjunctions build connections between sentences. They also help show the relationship between ideas, making our writing easier to understand. Masakit.